Hi, I'm Enrique, and in this video we are demonstrating how the Photoshop integration of the AHAU 260 app works. To start with, we are on Outlook for Microsoft 365 and we are converting an email into a task on a project management platform. Switching now to Photoshop, we begin with linking the task we just converted. After this, we can begin to export the artwork we want, select the format, and click Export. Now we can select the task we want to export it to and post it there. By clicking the eye icon in the tab we just exported the artwork to, we can see the task in the web UI of Asana. That was the project management platform we used. This way, you can send your design files to the task and consequently to the people that should have access to it. Thank you and wishes of a productive day.